this customer has an old wooden frame that's falling apart. The door sags and it doesn't shut without a strong slam, which is a huge security concern. Everything is pretty used and abused, and we're going to go ahead and swap all this out for them with a new door and frame. Here's the end result. 3-hour fire rating, all new hardware, all the edges there, nicely sealed. Brand new exit device to abide by all the local code. We even framed all along the edges just to make it look a little bit nicer. And yeah, give us a call if you want yours swapped out.
Chicago Locksmiths delivers trusted fire-rated door installation and commercial security solutions across the city. Visit www.chicagolocksmiths.net or call 312-878